Hi guys, today I'm going to be making an easy bake oven chocolate cake. I just have some store-bought Betty Crocker triple chocolate fudge cake that I have already put in a mixing bowl, and my easy bake oven has already warmed up for 15 minutes. I'm just going to go ahead and mix up all the ingredients and get them into my little easy bake oven tins and bake away. So the cake mix is definitely more than enough to make my easy bake cakes, but with the extra I will go ahead and just make regular baby cakes or more easy bake oven cakes. Anyway, let me just go ahead and get everything mixed up. I need to add 1.5 cup of water. Here's 1 cup. Sorry, 1 1/4 cup. And I got a little tiny 1/4 cup. A 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Here's 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And 3 eggs. There's 1, 2, and 3. Let me go ahead and mix this up really well. So it says mix, cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in a large bowl with mixer on medium, or beat vigorously by hand for 2 minutes and then pour into pan. Make sure to scrape down the sides. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray my tin down. I bought some Pam baking spray. Oh, is that too much? Oh, hope not. I don't know how much I'm supposed to put in here. Let's see. I guess very little. I'm gonna get like this in my spoon ladle. Get some in there. Clean off the sides. Give it a copy. So now what I'm supposed to do is put it in here. Okay, then I got this little pusher thing, and I push it all the way through. There you go. It's in there, and then you bake it for 15 minutes. I got my timer on here. That's gonna bake for 15 minutes, and when it's done, I am going to bake another one, so I'll do a 2-tiered. I got this easy bake oven from eBay, and it was made in 2006. And I think there were some issues with it because some kids were getting their fingers caught in there. Now I don't plan on putting my finger in there, so I'm okay to use it. But for kids probably like under 8, I probably wouldn't have them use it. There you go. I think it's super cute. I got it on eBay. I think it's very nostalgic to the original Easy Bake because it looks like a little oven. I don't like the ones that look like microwaves, or I don't know, something that doesn't look like an oven. So that's why I chose to get this one. So let's go ahead and give that some baking time, and let's see what it looks like when it's done baking. It's been 15 minutes now, so it's time to take out the first cake. Here is the Magicool cake pan remover. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. Oh my gosh, I'm hoping it's ready. I'm nervous. Okay, so it says you're supposed to leave this in here until this changes color, and it'll let you know that it's cool. So that's why they call it the Magicool cake pan remover. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that to the side. And I have my second cake ready to go. Slide it in all the way with my little handy dandy cake slider. And set it for another 15 minutes. Start. Okay, so it hasn't quite changed colors because, I mean, I don't know if it's still going to do that. It is from 2006, so I'm not sure about that sticker changing colors. But to go ahead and remove the cake out of the Magicool container, you've got this little thing that opens this lever. So, see? Go ahead and do that. And it opens, and you can just slide your cake out. And then to test to make sure that it's cooked all the way through, go ahead and get a toothpick. Look at my toothpick holder. Isn't that cute? So go ahead and get a toothpick and just poke it in the center of the cake. If it comes out clean, it's cooked. And you can touch it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm so excited to eat it. So you also get this little frosting warmer, and it actually fits on this back burner right here. They all kind of get a little warm. It's weird because this one's actually a little warmer. No, this one's warmer. So it's designed to fit right on top. And what you're supposed to do is go ahead and put your frosting inside this, and it warms it up, so it makes it easier to smooth onto your cake. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of it in here. Yum. And then let me pat this down so it kind of gets in there. And then put the lid and let it get warm. I have about 11 minutes for the second cake, and then I can layer them and go ahead and frost them. Woo! Yum, look at that. Ta-da! Okay, so I've got one of my cakes cooled down. My second one is still cooling. And I've got my frosting. It's warming up. It's actually nice and soft. So it's good for spreading onto my cake. So I'm going to put a layer of it right on top. That. This warmer is actually very helpful. So the frosting goes on nice and easy. So here's the bottom. I flipped the second cake upside down. I'll go ahead and put some frosting and then put the other cake on top to make my two-tier chocolate cake. Okay, so it's cooled down a bit and I've started frosting the top. I'm very impatient because I'm so excited to eat my chocolate cake. I love this Easy Bake Oven. I don't know about you, but as a kid I always wanted one and I never got one for Christmas. They were quite expensive growing up, and we didn't have a lot of money, so it was definitely something that my family could not afford. But now that I'm all grown up, I bought myself one. Making my dreams come true. Okay, I put the second layer on top, and so now I've got both cakes, and I just need to finish frosting them all up, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. All right, there's the finished product. There's my Easy Bake chocolate cake. I kind of got a little bit carried away with the frosting there, but it's okay. Now I need to slice into it and taste it. Okay, there is the cake. That's the finished product, and I'm gonna go ahead and slice it. This is great for portion control, guys. So if you have a sweet tooth like most of us do, but you don't want to go overboard and eat the entire cake like some of us do, including me, this is a great option because look, you can only eat what you've made. Now let me go ahead and get a little plate. Okay. Let me go ahead and get that out and show you what it looks like. Okay, that is my slice of Easy Bake chocolate cake. Look at that. Look how delicious that looks. Okay, time to try. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Oh my gosh. It's so good. It's so yummy. And the fact that I made it in an Easy Bake makes it even more special. And the fact that it's mini makes it even more yummy. I don't know why. Look at this. Oh my gosh. There you go. Easy Bake chocolate cake. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Did I have chocolate on that thumb? No. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe for more videos. And until next time, stay creative. Bye.